Come see your new home. Great location, large lot, no backyard neighbors, and so much more. This beautiful home is move-in ready and offers a spacious floor plan, open living room, screened patio, and a large yard with an oversized shed for plenty of storage. Upgrades and improvements include new interior doors, updated guest room fans, lights and fixtures, tile throughout common areas, wood plank flooring in master, newer roof and water heater, within 5 years, fenced yard, gutters, new garage door, and crown molding. Both bathrooms are upgraded and beautifully designed. Built-in shelving and gargage adds storage and freezer conveys. Take a walk through the custom-built screened patio to the spacious backyard. You will enjoy having guests under the metal roof structure large enough for all your entertaining plans. You don't want to miss this opportunity. No HOA or CDD.